Okay, here is the tunnel that is on the trail we're about to go through. So
hang on. Hang on for a while.
log that fell. That's some of that oh, it's been wet. Whew. So I'm getting wet. Yeah. Oh gosh, which one's the least water? Oop, sorry. Had a pretty good rain here. A pretty good rain. Oh my goodness. That's a big one, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Oh, that's okay. I've got my little video going here. Oh my goodness.
And my expert tells me that is an alligator snapping turtle.
An alligator snapping turtle.
Yeah,
oh
see the
my
tail
goodness.
makes it look like an
yeah,
alligator?
well it does. Yes.
And if you have some body part you need removed,
Oh, we can let that. Jim,
he's your
don't
man.
get close
Take
to
less
it.
than a second.
Put your
Oh my
finger up there and see if
goodness.
he really is.
Wow. Are we in your way, or you want us to?
No. And actually, they're not as aggressive as, like the common snapping turtle. It's just they get to be a lot bigger. I mean, those things can get 3 foot across.
That thing is huge. Don't make it move.
Right.
Oh yeah, look at it. See, yeah, don't, Jim, move it.
They will get aggressive.
It'll turn around. Move, Jim. Quit it.
That depends on if you want that toe.
Gosh, you're irritating.
Yeah. But no, they.
I don't like it. They're scary.
No, what it is though, he's
Where's he
searching for
going?
water.
Yeah.
I mean, it may be breeding season, but usually they're searching for water. They'll get all these heavy rains and they'll get them out of position. And when it starts to dry out.
He'd bite you in the butt as low as you are to the ground.
And they do. Look at those. It's almost like little claws on there.
Well, they are, but that's the digging stuff that they do underwater. Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, most of your water turtles are going to have that. But they don't have jaws like that one's got.
Ooh, okay. I believe you.